Are you considering Breezeway for your property management needs? Before making a decision, there are a few things you should know. In this video, we'll dive into 12 key aspects of Breezeway to help you decide if it's the right choice for your business. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of what Breezeway can offer and how it stacks up against its competitors. Let's get started. The first thing to know is that Breezeway is known for its strong focus on operations, particularly in vacation rental and short-term rental management. Unlike other property management software like AppFolio or Buildium, Breezeway specializes in managing tasks like cleaning, inspections, and maintenance scheduling. It's a great tool for hosts and property managers focused on operational efficiency. Next thing, Breezeway shines when it comes to automating workflows. You can schedule and assign tasks, track performance, and even send reminders to staff all in one place. This can save you time compared to more traditional systems where these tasks are handled manually or across several platforms. The third thing you need to know is that Breezeway has a great mobile app. It allows your team to stay connected and manage tasks on the go. However, when compared to more all-in-one platforms like Rentec Direct, some users find Breezeway lacks the depth of features in accounting and tenant management. If you're managing long-term rentals with a heavy accounting load, you might want to consider alternatives. The fourth thing, Breezeway's integration capabilities are excellent for those who use platforms like Airbnb or VRBO. The platform syncs well with these services to streamline booking and maintenance. However, if you're using other property management tools like Yardi, you might face some integration limitations with Breezeway. Next thing to consider, Breezeway's reporting features are robust but tailored to operations. You'll get data on maintenance costs, task completion rates, and more. But if you need deeper financial reporting or tenant management insights, a competitor like Propertyware might offer more comprehensive tools. The sixth thing you should know is that Breezeway offers customizable checklists and inspections. This is especially useful for managing quality control in vacation rentals. While some platforms provide basic checklists, Breezeway allows for more detailed and tailored inspections based on your specific needs. Next thing, Breezeway provides detailed task management with real-time updates. The ability to assign jobs to specific team members, track progress, and ensure deadlines are met is a huge time saver. But when it comes to overall property management, it may not cover the full spectrum like some of its competitors, which offer broader services, including accounting and leasing. The eighth thing is its pricing model. Breezeway operates on a subscription-based model, and while it's competitive, it may not be the most cost-effective solution for businesses managing a large portfolio of long-term rentals. Other property management tools like Rentec Direct or Buildium could offer more flexibility in pricing for those with multiple property types. Next thing, Breezeway's customer support is solid, offering assistance through live chat and phone support. However, it doesn't offer as much dedicated support for tenants as some competitors, like AppFolio, which has a broader suite of customer service options available. The 10th thing to know is the learning curve. Breezeway is user-friendly, but its focus on operations and task management means that it could be a bit tricky for users who need a more holistic property management system. If you're looking for something that handles accounting, leasing, and maintenance seamlessly in one platform, you might want to explore alternatives. The 11th thing is its scalability. Breezeway works well for small to medium-sized property management companies, especially those dealing with short-term rentals. However, if you're a large-scale property manager with hundreds or thousands of units, you might find the system a bit limited compared to more expansive platforms like Yardi. And finally, Breezeway offers a solid solution for property management with its unique focus on operations and maintenance tasks. It's a great option if you're looking to streamline your operations and ensure efficiency with your team. But if you want a more comprehensive property management platform, consider checking out our recommended solution. It's a more complete tool that you can try for free, giving you everything Breezeway offers and more. So, is Breezeway a good option? Absolutely. But if you want an even better solution, check out our recommended software and start your free trial today.